inside the billion-euro European factory that produces large landing gear. Welcome back to our channel Next Max. Landing gear is considered one of the most important components of an aircraft. Specialized production lines are needed to ensure the highest standards of safety and performance. What are the meticulous processes involved in manufacturing and assembling these critical components? Similarly, the Airbus A400M Atlas, a leader in military transport aircraft, requiring precision and collaboration from multiple European factories. How does such a large-scale project guarantee quality and efficiency? From machining to final assembly. From the fine machining of the landing gear to the complex assembly of the A400M. These processes highlight the complexity and coordination essential in modern aerospace manufacturing. Join us to discover the fascinating world of aircraft production. Uncover the secrets behind these legendary aircraft. But before we get into today's video, can you give us a like? Please share it with your friends and family. Click the subscribe button to support our channel, Next Max. Your support encourages us to continue producing high-quality videos. The landing gear of an aircraft is one of its most important components. It requires a professional production line to ensure the highest standards of safety and performance. The manufacturing process begins with the machining of various parts, including industrial CNC machining tools, such as milling and turning, are used for precise shaping of components. Each part includes critical components such as landing gear struts. These must be machined according to specifications to guarantee their function and reliability. During the manufacturing process, every detail is meticulously recorded to ensure thorough tracking and quality. Controlled components undergo a treatment process, where they are immersed in chromic acid or chromate, forming a protective layer of chromate. This prevents corrosion. Another key step is shrink fitting, where parts are cooled with liquid nitrogen to assemble them together, then allowed to expand for a perfect fit. Engineers use precision lifting tools to achieve precise alignment of different parts during the assembly process. All stages of the production process involve rigorous testing and detailed inspections, identifying and eliminating any defects. Once machined and treated, the parts are stored in on-site warehouses until they are needed at specific production stations. High-quality rubber products are dedicated to manufacturing landing gear tires, ensuring durability and performance to save costs. The wires and cables required for final assembly can be manufactured on-site. The manufacturing of landing gear tires involves a delicate process to ensure proper layering and composition. Tubing is a material like nylon, rubber, steel and Kevlar are mixed and molded. Tubing experts follow precise formulas or recipes to manufacture tires required by the aircraft. Additives like silica and carbon black are used respectively to enhance wet traction and wear resistance. Once the tubing is complete, the tires are transferred to the vulcanization furnace. The rubber undergoes vulcanization to become stronger and more durable throughout the tire manufacturing process. Lasers serve as markings to guide engineers in precise work, including the process of cutting specific patterns on the tires. Overhead cranes are used to efficiently move the developed tires between workstations. Upon completion, each tire sidewall is imprinted with its technical details and the manufacturer's name. The finished products undergo thorough testing and inspection to ensure there are no defects before being stored in a warehouse or shipped. All finished tires are batched and carefully catalogued. Major manufacturers of commercial aircraft such as Boeing, Airbus, procure landing gear from selected global suppliers. This emphasizes the importance of quality and precision in this critical component of aircraft design and construction. One of the latest military transport aircraft is the Airbus A400M Atlas, a 4-engine turboprop aircraft, unique among military transport aircraft of its kind. The A400M is the only one powered by turboprop engines. The Atlas's construction is a collaborative effort of several European factories, each responsible for different components of the aircraft. The A400MS fuselage is manufactured in Bremen, Germany and Spain, with rust prevention and ensuring a smooth paint surface in some areas. The aircraft is primed, The final painting of the A400M is done at the Airbus Defence and Space Paint facility in Seville, Spain. Defence and Space. The painting process begins with a thin primer applied by the aircraft's original color engineers, then ensuring all components within the cargo hold are perfectly aligned. And pull tests are performed on the cargo hold doors. One of the heaviest moving parts at an altitude of 400 meters must work flawlessly. The hydraulic system is installed early in the process, facilitating testing of other systems that rely on hydraulics. The aircraft is equipped with air conditioning and pressurization systems to regulate the air temperature and pressure. Without pressurization, passengers in the cargo hold would need to wear oxygen masks. Experts who study air and oxygen systems are specialists in these fields. Each assembly station validates the work completed at the previous station before adding new components at Station 40. Most of the aircraft's integration is performed and tested before the aircraft enters the next phase. The Beluga XL is currently the largest supertransporter. It plays a crucial role in transporting components for Airbus, the A400M, from factories across Europe. This impressive aircraft is specifically designed to handle oversized cargo, making it ideal for transporting large aircraft components within the workspace. The Beluga XL's nose cone opens wide, allowing technicians to carefully roll out important components like the flight deck, fuselage and wings. These components must then be carefully installed and aligned to ensure the aircraft functions properly. One of the unique features of the A400M, all systems must be electronically controlled via the flight deck. This integration ensures that pilots have full command of all aspects of the aircraft. Airbus operates a fleet of 4 Beluga XLS. They work day and night, transporting 400 Rama components for the assembly of the main parts, including cargo. The cabin and the main fuselage are unloaded onto a large conveyor system. Upon arrival at the assembly point, the cabin is then transported to the designated station, where electronic equipment and instruments are installed. Many external parts of the Atlas are precisely printed to precise specifications. Using advanced 3D printing technology, the process of connecting the cabin to the fuselage is a significant operation. This requires precise engineering practices to ensure proper fit and alignment. Engineers meticulously verify that all systems and components on the wings are correctly installed and aligned. They record their findings for future reference. The wing assembly takes place at Airbus, at the Defense and Space Facility in San Pablo, Seville. Data recording is a crucial step in this process. A dedicated data recording manager oversees the system to ensure efficient and accurate recording. The installation of avionics and electronics within the cabin involves detailed testing and troubleshooting to ensure all systems are functioning properly. Ground technicians communicate with technicians in the cockpit, coordinating each system test to ensure full coverage of all functions. Maintaining the integrity of data is of utmost importance in the A400MS production process to avoid viruses and information leaks. This station is also responsible for loading raw data into the aircraft systems. When Station 30 is powered on for the first time, outdoor tests that cannot be performed indoors are conducted to simulate real operating conditions. These tests include evaluating the aircraft's ability to lift the entire fuselage to facilitate cargo loading. Unloading technicians also test the final rear cargo ramp door under real-life conditions to ensure its flawless operation. Emergency generators are installed to provide backup power in case of a power outage during the aircraft's operation. The installation of the power plant takes place at Station 20. For Europrop TP400, the D6 turboprop engines are connected to the aircraft. Specialized lifting systems are used to lift the engine components to the correct height for attachment to the wings. What sets these engines apart is that they feature variable pitch propellers with feathering and reverse capabilities, which adds to the aircraft's versatility. The Atlas cargo hold is key to the aircraft and undergoes various quality control inspections to ensure it meets the highest standards. When the plane reaches the painting stage, the crucial radome, which houses the radar, has already been installed. The painting process is meticulous and can take up to a week to complete, including all protective preparation and the application of 3 layers of coating. The 400-meter propellers are designed to turn inward towards each other. A configuration, i.e. the descent between the engines after the plane is finished. A team of test pilots conducts the maiden flight to ensure all systems are functioning properly, and that the plane's performance meets expectations. At the time of writing this document, the Airbus A400 has been ordered by 10 confirmed customers and has been delivered 178 times. The Atlas can carry 37 tons of cargo and can also deploy up to 116 paratroopers, demonstrating its versatility and importance in military transport operations. This combination of advanced engineering, rigorous testing, and innovative design ensures that the 400 meters will remain a key asset in modern military logistics. Regarding the landing gear, here are some interesting facts you may not know. Firstly, landing gear systems come in various configurations, tailored to the needs of different aircraft. A conventional landing gear setup places 2 large wheels at the front of the aircraft, with a smaller wheel at the rear, providing stability during taxiing and takeoff. In contrast, a tricycle landing gear places 2 large wheels under the wings and a small wheel under the nose, enhancing ground stability and steering control. These systems aren't limited to wheels. Ski-based systems use skis instead of wheels on snow, and float-based systems use floats for water landings. Military aircraft can use tandem landing gear, with wheels aligned front to back, to reduce drag. Also, some landing gear systems include extenders to adjust wheel position, providing enhanced braking control and operational flexibility during landing maneuvers. The global aerospace landing gear market will grow significantly starting in 2020. 4 to 232 minutes. Based on the steady expansion observed in 22. Key industry players are implementing strategic initiatives, which are expected to further drive market development throughout the forecast period. Despite the challenges posed by COVID-19, pandemics and geopolitical tensions, such as the Russia-Ukraine conflict, market resilience is evident, as it is projected to expand from $10,000 in 2022 to $120 million, to approximately $135 million and $400,000 by 2028, reflecting a compound annual growth rate of 4.3%. This growth trajectory highlights the increase in investment in aerospace technology, as well as the continued demand for advanced landing gear solutions to meet the changing global aviation needs. Finally, the production of aircraft components involves complex processes, from precision machining of landing gear to the collaborative assembly of Airbus components. A 400M Atlas, highlighting the extraordinary complexity of modern aerospace manufacturing. These meticulous procedures include protective treatments, rigorous testing, and advanced assembly techniques to ensure the highest standards of safety, performance, and reliability. The dedication to quality and precision, exemplified by specialized production lines and innovative practices, emphasizes the expertise and coordination necessary for producing these critical components, ultimately contributing to the success and exceptional operation of modern aircraft. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the intricate world of aircraft component production. We hope you enjoyed learning about the meticulous processes behind the precision machining of landing gear and the collaborative assembly of Airbuses. A 400M Atlas. Your support means the world to us. We hope you'll continue to explore with us. Like, subscribe, and share to experience more incredible journeys and uncover the wonders of modern engineering. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you next time.